This kata is samidare, which means may rain. You and the opponent approach each other in the hiraseigan stance.
であと一歩で本来の真の性が
そうですよね。
ここのところで相手が2寸5分食い違って切っ先を受けようと、それをね相手の方に体の角度を合わせながら手首で反省をさせる、手首で反省をさせる、ずれた相手に芯を合わせながらこうなるわけ。
In many kata, you both come to the Shin no Seigan stance and put the tips of the katanas together to begin. However, in samidare, the opponent tries to strike your katana down as they move diagonally to the right. As you also move diagonally to the right, you use that energy back against them to attack. This technique wouldn't work without the soft grip that's unique to Asayama Ichiden Ryu.
こうやって持ってたんじゃできないよね。で
そういうことですね。
いつももう1本目から言ってるこの手つきで、これでクランってなったのを手首で向こうに反省をさせて、ここで初めて握ればいい。手首で向こうに反省をさせて、ここで初めて握ればいい。
If you grip the katana too tightly, you end up killing the energy of your opponent's attack. By holding the katana just barely enough to keep it in your hands with a soft, relaxed grip, you're able to transfer the opponent's energy through your movement. And in the end, all you need to do is grip the katana firmly for just a brief moment, right when your attack lands. That's enough.